This is video on the Fujifilm X-E5. We are at 4K 60, and we also have touch focus, so that is quite nice, but I really like how the video looks on this. It also does 6K, so it can record, you know, a larger frame size than my FX3. So I'm here back at NAB at the Fujifilm booth, and a wonderful young lady let me borrow her Fujifilm X-E5. So I'm gonna record a video clip on this. This is a, what millimeter lens is this? This is a 35 millimeter lens. So we're just gonna get some video here. We are at 4K 60, and we also have touch focus, so that is quite nice, but I really like how the video looks on this. It also does 6K, so it can record, you know, a larger frame size than my FX3. That's pretty significant. And then you also have the ability to look at this cute little joystick over here, so I can go back up into photo mode, and I'm gonna take an image as well. Yeah, the images that come right out the gate are just really nice. Let's get a picture of John here. Let's tap, get him in focus. Boom. Let's get a few more people. Let's get the camera that I was using earlier, the XM5, and then we have the Inferno here. So this is really nice. I'm just gonna try one more thing and go back to video mode and put it in 6K because it has the ability to do that. So we're in movie mode, and I'm kind of navigating for the first time, so we're gonna go over here. And 6K, 16:9. We're gonna do 30 frames per second, and I'm just gonna get video. Here we go, panning down and just filming here. So this is really nice. Then I can turn, get myself in frame as well. There is a flip out back here, so I can flip this up, bring it up, and see myself as well. So that's nice as well. So this is really neat, and I really may consider picking this up. Again, I would be trying to replace what I had with a Sony RX1 Mark III, having a compact camera that really packs a punch. So thank you guys.